Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of Born Pretty PR to share with you guys. They sent over 5 products. I've already taken them out of their plastic wrappings. Apologies if you can hear my Tasmanian devil dog out there going crazy. But just so you know, these 2 also came in boxes, but I took them out just to save some time. But I did want to show y'all that they all come just beautifully packaged, very safe, no leaking, no spilling, that type of a deal. So let me get these out of the way and we will start with this bad boy first. This is a Honker full size 15 ml bottle. This is a rubber base. This is, I think, a newer color. I own 3 of their rubber bases already. One of them is clear and then 2 are tinted. I actually really enjoy their rubber bases. I wear them myself. I put them on Nana. I'm pretty sure that's the only rubber base that I will put on Nana is Born Pretty's. Oh, did I even show y'all which number this is? This is 15. And I have another pink one that I will compare after I swatch this for you guys. But this is a beautiful pinky neutral. This is that color pink that will look gorgeous on any skin tone. It's just so creamy, dreamy. This actually looks a little bit more opaque than the other pink that I own, and I'll show y'all those 2 swatches side by side. Again, this is the rubber base 15 full size bottle, and then we have 2 polishes. I think these are from, I think it's called their Silky White series. What do we have first? We'll start with 106. Oh, my dumb dog, hang on. All right, it must be dinner time or something. I don't know. He's losing his dang mind. CG 106. Oh, this is in a 10 ml bottle. This is absolutely beautiful, you guys. This is in a clear base, and it is packed to the gills with white iridescent hex. I do see hex in here, but there are just a bunch of different sizes. There are also these absolutely stunning shifty colored, look at that right on that brush. These glitters shift green to orange. It's, oh my God, think of wintertime. I see this polish and my brain immediately goes to snowy designs, Christmassy snowmen's. Oh my gosh, just look at it. Be quiet. Just, ugh, I just can't deal. That is CG 106. This one is CG 112. And this one is in, I believe, like a very sheer turquoise tinted base. But aside from the white, I don't think there are white glitters in this one like there were in CG 106 that we just saw. But it does have that same sort of multi-sized glitter mix, tons of hollow in here. I don't really see any color shifting like what was in CG 106, those orange to green shifty glitters. I think this one is mostly just hollow. I mean, look at those little rainbows in there dancing around. Love that. CG 112. This one is, I'm pretty sure it's from this, I don't know if this is their Silky collection or if this is in their Jelly Nude. Oh, it is Jelly Nude, JN49. Y'all, I have a million jelly polishes. I don't have any black ones. This is their black jelly. Oh, how perfect is this gonna be for Halloweeny nails, of course, or just fall and winter designs? It's kind of hard to tell that it's jelly, but there you can see on the neck of the bottle. And of course, when I get to swatching, you'll be able to see the jelly properties. And last but not least, and this is just a matte top coat because I already own their base. I'm sorry, do I have their base? I don't know. I know I have their glossy top coat, but I didn't own their matte top coat. So I asked for this because I want to try it out. I am so over the top picky about matte top coats. I get irrationally angry when a company touts their matte top coat as being matte and I put it on and it's still reflecting light, and it looks like a satin finish. It irritates me like to no end. So I got this because I want to try it out. I want to swatch it over, probably over that, the black jelly. I want to see just how flippin' matte this truly is. And if it does not meet up to my standards, then be done with you. All right, sit tight. I'm going to get into some swatching, and then I'm just going to do, I think, a couple of little accent nails at the end of this video using some of these products. So hang tight. So we're going to start off swatching CG 112. This is that turquoise jelly with the zhuzh. It's pretty. I mean, it's nice, but I feel like I already own probably 3 different polishes that sort of look like that. So, but this one, oh, chow. This one, I am obsessed. This is my pick. This is my pick of this entire video. It's just so divine. Oh, I love it. Wait till you see what I do with the art. This is the rubber base coat, rubber base 15. Absolutely beautiful. Love this color pink. I think it's perfect for this time of year as well. It's more, I would say, like more of like a fall winter pink than a springtime pink, but you know, I guess pink is universal. And here is the jelly black. Could I make my own jelly black with a base coat and a black polish? Yeah, but I'm lazy, so I'm obsessed with having my own jelly black. I love it. So here they all are, 2 coats. Actually, I think the jelly black, no, I did 2 coats of the jelly black. The matte top coat, I just put that over just a straight up black cream. It's okay. It's not my favorite matte top coat, like gel matte top coat, but it's serviceable. It's good. I would definitely grab it in a pinch. But the rest of them, 2 coats, glossy top coat. I'm telling y'all, that white chunky glitter. So here is rubber base 15 compared to 03 and 17. You can obviously see the color difference. It is deeper, but I think it's just like a beautiful, sort of like a fresh out the salon type of a, like you know, if you're going to wear it over your natural nails, it's just going to be a beautiful sort of natural pink, you know, nail bed color. So I decided to use that on this one tip, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this. I think I did 2 coats. Hell, I may only did 1 coat. And I'm going to just put that all over the place. And then all the rest of this stuff, you're going to see me use the stamping plates and the stamper. I don't think these are available from Born Pretty anymore, but I wanted to try to keep as much of this video to Born Pretty products as I could. But I don't even own any Born Pretty stamping polish, so I have to use Maniology Sticky Black, which was fine. It was, you know, it did the job. So for this image, now, I had already mapped this out in my head, and I knew, obviously, this image is not as long as this tip. So I'm going to angle my stamper, and I'm just going to put this image on the bottom sort of 3/4 of the nail, and then leave that cuticle area sort of blank, which was, you know, that's what I knew was going to happen. Otherwise, I would have double stamped it, you know, to like fill up the whole nail, but I didn't really want to because I'm going to go in with this, whatever the heck this one is. Is it the 112? CG 112, I think. I don't know, the turquoise, glittery one. Beautimus. I'm trying to concentrate because basically what I'm going to do is a glitter fade. So I'm going to concentrate as much of this product up here at the cuticle area above my stamped image as I can, and then just sort of start to sort of dry brush almost and drag down my glitter fade. And it wasn't until I got to my second coat of this, because obviously I'm going to do 2 coats, but at the end of my second coat, I decided to just take my dry brush all the way down the free edge to just sort of bring a few, just a very, very few of these gorgeous hollow glitters all the way down to the free edge. And you'll see what I mean in just a sec. So if I feel as though I have too much product on my brush, I just wipe it off on the neck. Here's coat number 1. Trying to concentrate as much up here as I can. So, and then a lot of this, you know, towards the bottom half of that nail is just going to be sort of dry brushed. And now I'm going to go back in with some thickums. I'm going to put on quite a bit of product here because I do want to sort of build up that turquoise opacity. Of course, this is a jelly. It's not going to be opaque. You could apply this glittery zhuzhi over a base color if you would like a solid opaque cream color, but I did not. I was going for a very much sort of jelly vibes. These are the products that I was really feeling. Actually, all these products, I think, in this PR package were pretty jelly, with the exception of the matte top coat, I think. I have a jelly black, I have a rubber base, and I have, yeah. So all of these are pretty much in like jelly bases. Okay, Tara, I'm doing a lot of talking. Okay, I apologize. But I'm sort of trying to walk y'all through where I'm going. So as you can see, this is the last part of my little dry brush in here. And I wanted to bring just a few of these glitters down to the free edge. And at the end of the day on this particular tip, I accomplished my goal. I think that looks stunning. For some reason, I could not find my Born Pretty glossy top coat. So I had to use Madame Glam's top coat. But any boobs. So on this tiny little nubbin nail, because I wanted to show y'all 2 different nail lengths, I do 2 coats of this, this white, iridescent, shifty, glittery, zhuzhy beauty. Here's my second coat. And then, oh God, I just can't. I can't get over it. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to go over this. Y'all don't hate me. Don't hate me. But I'm going to go over this with the black jelly because I wanted to transform it. I wanted to see what it would do to these white, glittery, iridescent-y, shifty, just particles. I don't know. Y'all know what I'm getting at. I just wanted to see what it was going to do. And I freaking loved this so much. Look how this black jelly brings out the orange in these shifty glitters. It's just so gorge. So think of like Halloween-y, you know, sort of low-key Halloween-y vibes, I guess. Yeah, so I'm going to wipe it off because I do want to go in and do some stamping. I don't know why I'm anal, but sometimes I wipe off tacky layers. But this is the other Born Pretty plate that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use this image right here. And this, again, it's not a long image. It's not a wide image. But look at this. Oh, I made it work. I'm so in love with this. I can't. So here's our final art, you guys. I am obsessed with that jelly black over that beautiful white glitter. I don't know what to call it. Iridescent white. I feel like it just gives it a completely different look. It would also be gorgeous for sort of like a low-key Halloween-y. You know, if you have a glitter mix that's orange. Hold on, I have to pause because it is definitely dinner time and all my dogs are going just, oh my God. Okay, sorry, they're just going batshit crazy. So, okay, so one other point that I wanted to make, what I was saying was, if you have sort of like a glittery mix that has some orange glitters, or if you just wanted to use an orange glitter, but you didn't want it screaming in your face, pumpkin orange, throw a black jelly over it. Oh, I love that. So in the interest of full disclosure, I actually attempted that look, but then I matte top coated it because I wanted to see what it would look like matte, and I actually didn't really enjoy it. I feel like I lost too much in the matte top coat. I mean, I know what you're supposed to. It's not supposed to sparkle, but I feel like it really muted those orange glitters. Get off of me. Get off of me. So for my finished design, I decided to keep it glossy. Keep it glossy. And of course, if I were to wear this on a natural nail, either one of these, on an actual hand, I would probably, because this one got a little bit bulbous, I just got my gel a little bit too thick on either side. I wanted to keep the zhuzh concentrated up, you know, up here at the cuticle area because I was obviously doing a fade. So, but if I were gonna wear this, I would buff it, you know, I would file and buff it and then top coat it. But on some practice tips, who really cares? The glitters, for as freaking chunky and packed in there as they are in this really thick base, they actually laid down pretty well. Usually if you get glitters that be misbehaving, what I do is I will go over it with, I'll rub like a rubber base coat or like a really thin coat of builder gel, and, you know, really scrub it in between those glitters to just sort of smooth everything out. I didn't have to. I just did one coat of top coat, and y'all can see it ain't lumpy bumpy. I feel like, you know, these both turned out really well. What do y'all think? These glitter, I'm telling y'all, this, what is it? CG 106, y'all, you gotta go grab this. And don't forget, you can save 10% at Born Pretty with code BLL10. Follow the link, of course. Y'all know all my links be down in the description box below. So if you stuck around this long, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. The keyword is jelly. The keyword is jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. Okay, Tara, shut up. That's going to do it for me. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.